What if I told you there's a way to lock in 12% guaranteed yield on your stablecoins, while the rest of crypto is gambling on meme coins? This isn't a scam and it isn't a bank. It's called Pendle, and in the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works with real numbers from today. Here's the problem with most DeFi yields. You stake in a pool advertising 15% APY, and by the time you wake up tomorrow, it's down to 6%. The yield moves constantly, and you can't plan around it. What if you could lock in a yield, like an old-school bank CD, but without the bank and with triple the rates? That's exactly what Pendle does. Here's the trick. Pendle takes any yield-bearing crypto asset, think Athena's USDE earning 15%, or SDAI, or staked ETH, and splits it into two separate tokens. The first is called PT, for Principal Token. Think of it as the IOU. PT entitles you to redeem exactly $1 at a future maturity date. Nothing more, nothing less. The second is called YT for Yield Token. YT captures only the future interest, the variable part, no principal claim. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because these two pieces trade separately, PT always trades at a discount. The market prices in the time value of money. So, if Athena's USDE earns around 15% for a year, you might find one PT-USDE token selling for 88 cents today. You buy it for 88 cents, you hold, and in 365 days, Pendle lets you redeem it for exactly $1. That's a locked-in yield of 13.6%, guaranteed, no matter what crypto does. No matter what the funding rate does, no matter what. Let me show you real numbers. Today, Pendle has pools for USDC, USDT, USDE, SUSDE, and newer stables like USDG. Let's say you buy $1,000 of PTUSDE with a 6-month maturity at an implied yield of 14%. Today, you pay $932. You receive 1,000 PT USDE tokens. 6 months later, you click Redeem. You get 1,000 USDE back, which you can instantly swap to USDC. Your profit, $68. Annualized, 14%. You didn't need to watch charts. You didn't need to time markets. You didn't need to understand funding rates. You locked in 14% and you forgot about it. Compare that to a US Treasury bill at around 4.5% or a bank CD at 4%. Pendle is literally 3 times those rates, on stablecoins. Getting started takes 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to pendle.finance. Connect your wallet. MetaMask or Rabby both work. Step 2. Click Markets. For your first pool, pick PT-USDC or PT-USDT. These are the safest. Step 3. Click Buy PT and decide your amount. Confirm the transaction. Step 4. Hold until maturity. Set a calendar reminder. Step 5. On maturity day, come back and click Redeem. Your USDC hits your wallet. That's it. You just became your own fixed income investor. One caveat, Pendle has smart contract risk like any DeFi protocol. And if you buy PT on volatile yield sources like SUSDE, you take on Athena's protocol risk too. For beginners, stick with PT-USDC and PT-USDT. If this helped, subscribe. Next week, I'll break down how funding rate arbitrage actually prints money while you sleep. Catch you